Hi. So I hope all of you are ready for the final leg of preparation or final few days, right? So here I have come with some final tips. So with respect to next 2 3 days, how should you do and what exactly you should do, and along with that, one important thing I'll talk about today is what are the three important things to be done in the exam hall to optimize the score. Fine. So that is very very important, right? So here you go. So, my name is Pradeep Thorai, and I am alumnus of IIM Ranchi, and I'll be selling you through in next 10 15 minutes, where I'll be talking about what are the final 4 or 5 days, what are the things to be do's and don'ts, and apart from that, we'll be talking about what are the three most important things to be done in the exam hall so that you optimize your score, right? So let's start. So, as you know that there are 3 4 days left, right? So in this case, the general do's I'll be talking about with respect to subject, along with that with respect to other things also. Because I have already told you that CAT is not all about the subject knowledge; it is about your temperament. In the previous video, I have already discussed that. So your temperament and how are you behaving and how are you doing and how your brain is also working and clicking in those 120 minutes. Those are very very important. Okay. Okay. So let's look at what are the general do's, what are the things to be done in last 3 4 days. First is you need to revise your mocks. जो भी मॉक आपने लिया है वो सब मॉक आप रिवाइज करिए. रिवाइज इन द सेंस नया मॉक नहीं, जो पुराना मॉक आपने सॉल्व किया है वो सब मॉक आप रिवाइज करिए. रिवाइज मीन्स यू जस्ट गो टू द क्वेश्चन एंड देन you just try to solve all those things, and you have already solved some. Now you can try to understand that what kind of questions and how do we tackle this question. All those things can be done. This can be done in maths and LRDI section. Of course, you can go for previous year questions. Now, previous year questions are also very important. That will give you a extra boost up because previous year questions are the original questions, right? So you can revise all those questions, right? Now, next will be revision of formula. This is very important. So you revise the formula, whatever be the formula available, right? So there are many formula available. Or basically, if you look at formula for mensuration, that's very important, right? So there are many formula, many theorem, many concepts are there. So all those things are to be revised. So what you need to do over here is, I'm having some video also for formula. You can also watch all those formula, right? Now, next is read RC passages, or my suggestion will be previous year RC passages, right? Now, this previous year RC passages will actually help you to understand that what kind of passages they do ask, right? And what you can do is now, if you write the first line of this passage in Google, you'll be finding the whole article in it will be available, and what you can do is you can read the whole article, right? So if you read that, you can have more knowledge about the subject. So that is my suggestion, because as of now you need not to do much with respect to your slogging. So you need not to slog the way you have slogged so far. अभी तक आपने बहुत मेहनत किया है, अभी उतना मेहनत नहीं करना है. So this is with respect to the subjects. Now let's talk about something else, right? Apart from subjects, the most important thing is relax and relax. At this moment, last 3 4 days, you need to relax more. That's what I was talking about. क्योंकि maybe last 6 months or last 1 year, 1.5 year, आपने मेहनत किया है और जो भी preparation किया है, right? So all those things are there with you. Now you need to relax. Relax means mentally as well as physically you need to relax. Okay. Reduce the study time. So study time जो भी था पहले, study time कम कर दीजिए so that you can sleep more and your brain needs some rest. So rest is required because brain is to be energized. So that means what I am talking about is 28th को हमारा brain का energy maximum रहना चाहिए. So that कि whenever you'll be writing the test, your brain should should be working well, right? Because there are a lot of brainstorming things will be there in the exam hall, and you will be having a lot of pressures also, right? So to handle all those things, your brain should be energized, your body should be very, very energetic, right? Apart from that, there are some other suggestions. You stay confident. So far, you have done all possible things to prepare yourself. So now you need to be confident enough. Yes, whatever is done is done. I can do well. Whatever so far I have done, with respect to that, I'll be able to do well. Stay positive. Yes, of course, you need to stay positive. There is no chance of going negative, right? See, if you see all successful people in the world, all the people are absolutely positive, right? So you need to be positive to be successful. That's the basic mantra. This is my suggestion with respect to do's. Now let's talk about don'ts. My suggestion is don't write new mocks. राइट सो कोई भी नया नया मार्क आप मत लिखिए अभी, राइट? नया मार्क लिखने से क्या होगा कि जो भी मार्क्स आएगा उसमें कम आएगा ज्यादा आएगा, उसमें हो सकता है कि आपका मेंटली आप प्रेशराइज हो जाए, राइट? सो ऑल दोस थिंग्स शुड नॉट हैपन, राइट? डोंट एक्सप्लोर न्यू चैप्टर टॉपिक एंड सब टॉपिक। सो जो भी टॉपिक और जो भी चैप्टर आपने छोड़ दिया है, if you have left some topic or maybe subtopic you have left, or if you are not confident in some topic or subtopic or in a chapter, right? So don't try to revise all those now, right? So those are left means keep it left so that it does not pressurize you as of now. Okay. So this talks about your last 3 4 days. Of course, I'll be talking about that what is to be done in the exam hall to optimize your score after a while. Acha. Now let's talk about exam day. There are some important tips for you. First is the most important thing, what I feel is sleep more in the previous night. So sleep more in the previous night means maximum 8 9 10 hours, whatever, so that you in the next morning, exam day morning, you are fresh, right? Acha. Uh, 2 3 more things over here. See, if your exam hall is far away, maybe 3 hours 4 hours drive, and if possible, then you reach the venue or take a hotel very close to the venue in the previous day. Go over there, right? Sleep well, right, and then walk down to the exam center and write the test. Right. So it should not happen that in the morning you get up early or very early, you travel for 4 hours, and then you reach the exam venue and then you write the test. So that will be a lot of exhaustions. So my suggestion is don't do that. Right. So, and reach the venue on or before time. So that is also very, very important because if you are very staying very close to the venue, so you know that yes, I'll be reaching. Maybe it's a walking distance. Now, if you are traveling, say for example, 3 hours, 4 hours, you always have a pressure in your mind that do I reach on time? Is there any traffic jam, etc., etc. So all those things can disturb you, and those are all unnecessary things which should not occupy your brain. ठीक है? तो वो सब चीज दिमाग में नहीं रहना चाहिए, राइट? एंड यू नो ऑल दोस थिंग्स दैट all the documents and objects which are instructed over there. Now let me tell you what are the important things over there. One is you have to carry uh, you have to wear gloves. That's the first important thing. Then you have to carry a sanitizer, and if you are carrying water bottle, so water bottle transparent होना चाहिए. Water bottle transparent होना चाहिए मतलब आर पार दिखना चाहिए. That's it, right? Otherwise, they will not be allowing, right? Apart from, you need to carry your admit card. You need to carry your uh, ID proof, all those things, right? So you need to be very, very careful. And another important thing, that whatever be the photo you have uploaded, the same photo is available on your admit card printed, right? The same photo printed is to be pasted by the side of that photo. तो आपने जो फोटो अपलोड किया है वही फोटो एग्जैक्टली एडमिट कार्ड में आया है, तो उसका एक वही फोटो का एक प्रिंट लेना होगा और प्रिंट लेके सेम फोटो वहां पे डालना होगा. याद रखना, दूसरा फोटो नहीं डालना है. आपने अगर उसका प्रिंट नहीं लिया है, फोटो का दुकान में जाइए, जाके उसका प्रिंट ले लीजिए, राइट? प्रिंट लेके फोटो की तरह जैसे होता है उस तरह से प्रिंट ले लीजिए, लेके उसमें चिपकाइए, राइट? अदरवाइज इट मे बी a little bit problematic for you. Okay, fine. That's very good. So now the final thing, right? So what I feel is something like this, that the three important things which are required to optimize your score. So let's go for the first one. First one, my suggestion is scan the questions or question sets. So if you are into QA section, you scan means read all the questions, maybe the first line, and try to understand that question is easy or difficult and so and so. Or maybe a LRDI set, similar sets you have done or not, or number of cases are more or less. Now scanning will help you to choose questions, right? So accordingly you can choose questions. Choose question means मान लो question easy है तो वो easy questions 1 3 5 7 8 9, these questions are easy. You write in the very first leg that these are the easy questions, then moderate questions, and then the difficult questions. So first you solve easy questions, then moderates, and then if type permits, then you go for difficult questions, right? So scanning will help you in this way, right? I hope you have practiced in that way. If you have not practiced, then you can do in this fashion. Acha. Then apart from this, this is one important thing. There are two things which actually disturbs the whole exam process as far as the aspirant is concerned. One is leave the question if you stuck up. If you stuck up, you have to leave the question. It's not very simple. You need to understand that you are stuck up. Stuck up मतलब आप आपको समझ में आना चाहिए कि ये क्वेश्चन और आगे हम नहीं बढ़ पा रहे और आगे सॉल्व नहीं कर पा रहे. तो सॉल्व नहीं कर पा रहे मतलब ये क्वेश्चन छोड़ना होगा, राइट? हम लोगों का इनहेरेंट ईगो रहता है. So we have inherent ego, and because of that, we felt that yes, these kind of questions we have solved many times. So why can't I get now, right? So definitely I'll be able to solve that. And then you keep on investing time, and investing time becomes waste of time. So my suggestion is that you just read the question maximum 2 minutes. If within 2 minutes you can understand that yes, it is true, then it's okay. If it is not true, you have to leave the question, right? And it's not easy, right? So you have to practice that accordingly, and you have to leave the question. So please keep in mind. अदरवाइज क्या होगा, एक क्वेश्चन में अटक गए, उसमें 10 मिनट लगाए और क्वेश्चन मान लो सॉल्व भी हो गया, then there is a problem. The problem is in one question 10 minutes, that means you are behind with respect to your competitors. So वो बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए. My suggestion is 2 minutes, not more than that, right? And then the next is don't panic when you leave a question, right? When you leave a question, always you feel, Gary, I have left a question, I have left a question, then what? Do I get better question? Yes, I can get better question or I should get better question. But if you are not getting better question, then also you should not stack up in a question. You move ahead and try to solve some other questions which are ahead. Remember that you need not to get a 98 percentile or 99 percentile, you need not to go for 90 percentage of marks. Maybe somewhere around 50 to 60 percentage of marks or 50 to 55 percentage of marks will be good enough to get 98, 99 percentile as far as history says, right? Okay, so that is how it is. Fine. So I hope these three tips will help you a lot with respect to optimizing your score. Okay. So thank you very much. And then if you are liking the session, so please like it and subscribe the channel, and that will help you to get more information with respect to my further sessions. I'm having sessions on formula, so you can watch that also. Okay. So thank you very much, and all the best.